June 17th, 2024, a woman crashed into multiple parked cars in a Sarasota County bar parking lot, blamed other drivers, and ended the night in handcuffs. Security footage captured everything.
Okay, Ms. Bianca?
Yeah.
Okay, so at this point in time, I'm done with the crash investigation.
Correct.
I'm now moving into a DUI investigation. So that being said, I do have to read you your rights. This does not mean you are under arrest. It's just because we're going from a civil crash investigation into a criminal investigation. Does that make sense? Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney with you prior to, during, or after any questioning. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
She does.
She does, okay.
I do.
All right.
I do.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to answer any questions or make any statements at this time?
I'm all for you guys.
Okay, so you're good talking to me still?
We're good.
Okay, can you run me through one more time what happened?
So what happened was I was coming around this way. The car that was parked in this parking spot, he came out this way, and as I'm coming out...
The one that was in this spot?
The one that was in this spot.
Okay, so what happened with like the car back there and then these ones? How did they get involved?
This car right here?
Yeah, see, so there's the one that they're all crowded over, that one. And then there's going to be the 3 cars here. So the SUV that they're looking at right now, the little Lexus, and then the Kia there. How did those ones get involved?
So, as far as I know, I was driving this car.
Okay.
This car was going this way.
Okay.
And this car that was in this lane right here smacked into me.
Okay, so he pulled out?
When it comes to these other cars,
okay.
I have no idea what happened to that.
Okay. Would it help if I tell you that there's video footage from the parking lot?
No, would help.
Okay. So, do you have room to get out?
I think I can right here.
Okay. Hey, Carson, can you just, I'm unlocking it, if you need to move my car, do it, okay? So from what we've seen in the video footage, you ended up hitting this one all the way back here first, kind of careened off it and came into the other ones. Does that ring any bells? Yeah.
I did?
Yeah. Does that ring any bells at all? No?
No, I came around this corner right here, and when I came right here, somebody smacked into me, maybe that gray car right there.
Okay. Were you the only one in your car?
Yeah.
Okay, and I know I asked you this already, but are you hurt at all? No? Okay, obviously your airbags went off. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Correct.
Okay. So again, no passengers, no one else we're looking for or anything like that?
As far as I'm concerned, when I came around this corner,
okay.
If it were that car to hit me, I was coming around the corner,
okay,
and I was doing as what I was supposed.
Well, it was stationary and it was parked. Because again, we watched the security video and that's what it shows. It's parked there.
My car.
You're coming around the corner here. You hit the first one and then you kind of bounce off of it and hit the other 3.
So did I cause all?
Yes, you did. Okay. I was trying to get your recollection of things, but that doesn't quite add up.
If that's what it is, that's what it is.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
A drink.
A drink? Okay. No more than a drink? You're winking. Does that mean not a single drink?
A drink.
Okay.
I've had a drink.
Okay. I got confused because of how you were saying that. You're doing like the a drink and winking at me.
I'm sorry.
So how many drinks?
I've had a drink, dude.
Okay. What were you drinking?
I don't know.
Beer, liquor, wine, like what are we talking about?
God, is your guys' job this detailed?
Yes. Regrettably.
Okay. I've had a beer.
A beer? Okay.
I've had
what kind of beer?
And he has arrested me for a beer.
So I already told you, okay, you're not under arrest right now. I'm conducting a DUI investigation. Okay? If you're under arrest, you'd be in handcuffs. You're not in handcuffs right now, okay? I'm still conducting my investigation, so I don't know which way it's going to go at this point, all right? So what kind of beer did you have?
Dude, I've had a fucking Yingling.
A Yingling? Okay, so just one Yingling. About how long ago?
Fucking 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Was that here at Livingston's or was that somewhere else?
Here.
Okay, so nothing else since?
No.
Okay, anything before that?
I'm not trying to be an asshole to you, but like, dude, I'm just trying to go home.
Okay,
no.
So at this point I am concerned that you are impaired, so I'd like to do some field sobriety exercises. Are you willing to do those with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'd like you to do is just stand right where you are, put your feet together for me, and keep your hands at your sides. Do you have any medical issues I need to know about before we get started? No injuries, no broken bones or anything like that? Okay, you taking any medications for anything? Okay, do you wear glasses or contacts? No? All right.
We're doing the eye test or the Beat test.
So right now what I'm doing is I'm checking your eyes.
Down?
Yeah, if you want to like toss it on your hood or in your car or something,
And just put it right-
that works fine. Okay. Okay, so again, feet together for me, hands at your sides. Are you comfortable in the boots? Good enough? Okay. So you can see the green light there, okay? All right, what's going to happen is it's going to move side to side on you. All I want you to do is follow it with just your eyes, and I want you to keep your head nice and still. Yep, do you understand that okay? All right. If it stops moving like that, just keep focusing on it.
They sometimes dock you for if you stay too long on it. So I don't want to stare at it
Nope, I need you to
long.
keep focusing on it for me, okay?
Sometimes they dock you for if you stare at it for too long.
Nope, all I need you to do is just keep focusing on it.
Really?
Okay, you're good. Relax, just hang tight right there. I'll be right back.
Really don't.
Do you guys need to pull out?
You guys just take your time.
Okay, yeah, just bear with me a minute. Give me like a step towards me. Good. If you could just toss that on my hood for me, please. Thank you. Okay, right over here for me, please. Ma'am, right over here, please. Okay. So for this, what I'd like you to do is take your left foot and put it on this line. Okay, then you're going to take your right foot, put it directly in front of your left so you're touching heel to toe, just like me. Good. Now keep your hands at your sides and just stay like that until I tell you to start. I don't want you to do anything else until I tell you to, okay? If you step out of this position like you did there, just step back into it for me until I tell you to do anything else. Do you understand that okay? Do you understand that all right?
I do.
Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, can you put your right foot back in front, please? So the right foot's going to go in front. Okay, from here, your next step is 1. You can begin whenever you're ready.
So 1,
Heel,
2,
off,
3,
heel,
4,
off,
5,
heel,
6,
off, heel, heel, heel. 8 steps. Stagger to turn. Hands are behind her now. Heel, 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 heel. 11. Okay.
Before questioning shifted from the crash to the criminal investigation, the deputy read Miranda. Miranda versus Arizona. 384 United States, 436. 1966. Requires that advisement at the precise moment custodial interrogation begins. He hit that mark. She waved and agreed to talk. That waiver is binding. Every statement she made afterward is admissible, and several of them directly supported the arrest. Her crash account blamed another vehicle. The deputy told her the security footage contradicted the story. She eventually acknowledged she caused the damage. That admission, the crash itself, and visible behavioral cues met the totality of circumstances standard under Illinois versus Gates. 462 United States, 213. 1983. She consented to field sobriety exercises. In Florida, that is, voluntary, no statutory penalty for declining. Consenting handed the prosecution a documented record of her performance. On camera, she stepped off the line, staggered during the turn, and raised her arms. Florida Statute Section 316.193 defines driving under the influence as operating a vehicle while normal faculties are impaired. A failed breathalyzer is not required. Those observed clues alone can support a conviction.
Right back up to the start of the line for me, please. We're done with the line, though. No, you're good. Face me. Face me. We're not done yet, okay? So we're done with the line, so you can ignore that, okay? All I want you to do is stand as you are. Do you need to take a breath for a minute? Just take a couple deep breaths instead of the quick, shallow ones. Okay?
I please want to get it over with, please.
Okay. So stay with your feet together, hands at your sides, okay?
I'm sorry, you guys want to do me the little
But bear with me. I have instructions I have to give you, okay? You may have seen it on TV or anything like that. I need you to ignore anything you've seen on like live PD or cops and just focus on what I'm telling you, okay? Because I don't want you trying to remember something you saw on the internet and then doing it incorrectly because you weren't listening to me, okay?
No.
All right. So feet together, hands at your sides, and just stay like that. Don't do anything until I tell you to. Do you understand that, okay?
Okay.
All right. When I tell you to begin, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up a foot.
Sorry, I can't do any more tests for you.
Okay. Listen to me for a minute, okay? Can you listen to me for a second?
The tests that you had for me before, they were fake.
Okay.
And they forced
Hold on.
it.
Listen to me for a moment.
Forced it. They
Listen to me
forced
for a
it
moment.
from me. They
Listen to me for a moment, please.
They forced it from me.
Listen to me for a moment. Ma'am, listen to me.
Get away from me. Get
Okay.
away from me.
You're under arrest. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. We're done.
Get away from me.
What's her name? Bianca, you gotta calm down, okay?
I just wanted to breathe.
Okay, you gotta calm down.
Can I hit my babe?
No.
No, you cannot. You gotta calm down.
Okay. At this point in time, you are under arrest for DUI. Call it out, please.
I don't care.
Okay. I am requesting you provide a breath sample. Are you willing to give me one?
Nope.
Okay. Then I got something I have to... Stop that.
You know what?
Then I got to read something to you.
You're a stupid
Over here.
little...
Over here. Face the car and stay there.
I'm gonna leave the keys with it.
Yep.
I gave you 20 other chances.
7714 to dispatch.
20 other chances.
White female 1015 signal 1. Do I have a female deputy? I can have 51 for a search.
What? You're gonna make me... Is that better for you?
We're not doing that. Okay.
Is that better for you? Is that better for you? Is that better for you?
910-1,
Oh, does that make you feel better? Oh, do you feel so good? Motherfucker, I can't f***ing feel my arm.
Okay. I have to read this to you, so I need you to listen up, okay?
So trying to
I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. If you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida State Statute 327.35215 for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida State Statute 327.35215 for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusal to submit to the test I have requested is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I just read to you?
I understand.
Okay. Do you still refuse to submit to this test?
Correct.
Okay. Mark time 22:19.
Oh my God.
I'm just going to put her in the back seat. Is more...
No, I can find out.
You guys want to handle me so bad. Oh my God.
Go ahead and take a seat.
She took a seat. She took a seat. Hey.
Numbers here at the top. By the time they get the report from me, I'll have it updated so it has all they're going to need right now.
I know y'all motherfuckers see
So,
me!
give those back to you.
Thank you.
So, also this is going to be our victim's rights brochure because she is impaired. Great, that means she slipped her cuffs in front. It is now.
You're so fucking fat and ugly. Oh my God. Oh my God. No wonder why you work where you do. Cause you fucking ugly. No wonder why. Hey, look. Hey. Hey! Hey! I told you. Oh! Oh, no. I told you 6 times. I told you.
Stop it. Do not grab him. Ground.
What's you assaulting me for?
Stop.
Put your hand behind your back. Hand behind your back right now. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Bust up my elbow.
Yeah.
Sit down. Stupid ass fucking bitch. Look at that. All that fucking blood.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go to the hospital anyway.
Feel good. Father's Day. You fucking bitch.
ID.
No, I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I have fucking purulent... No, I can't breathe! I need help! 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 Somebody help! Somebody help me! I can't breathe! Help! Please! Please! I'm eating my own tooth! Please! Help me! Please! 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 There's blood all over my legs! Look at me! Dude, I begged you for the past 20 minutes! You're getting sued. Hey! Blood that's all over me.
She claimed mid-exercise the tests were invalid. That has no legal standing. When she told the deputy to get away from her, the threshold was crossed. Probable cause was documented under Florida Statute Section 901.15, and the arrest was declared. The deputy requested a breath sample. Refused. Florida Statute Section 316.1932. Florida's implied consent law makes that refusal consequential 1-year license suspension on a first refusal and a first-degree misdemeanor on a second. He read the full statutory advisement verbatim and documented the time at 22:19 hours. That notation locks the refusal into the record for both administrative proceedings and any potential criminal charge for a subsequent refusal. When officers moved her toward the patrol vehicle, she dropped her weight, passive resistance. Then she grabbed an officer. Florida Statute Section 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer. A third-degree felony. Florida Statute Section 843.01 adds resisting with violence. A second felony count. The force applied must be evaluated under Graham v. Connor. 4. 90 United States. 3. 86. 1989. Severity of offense. Immediate threat. Active resistance, all three were present. Ground control under those circumstances falls within objectively reasonable force. Once secured, she stated she could not breathe, reported blood on her leg, and said she was swallowing a broken tooth. No visible officer response appears on camera during that window. The 14th Amendment requires prompt medical attention for a person in custody reporting an emergency. That gap demands a written answer. Separate issue officers directed profane and derogatory language at the subject on camera while she was cuffed. That language does not void the arrest or suppress evidence. It opens a civil rights claim under 42 United States Code, Section 1983, and weakens the department in any litigation that follows. The deputy receives a C+. Miranda, the implied consent advisement, and the probable cause foundation were all sound. What failed was conduct profanity on departmental recording equipment, and no visible response to in-custody medical distress claims. The subject receives a B-. Refusing the breath test was a legally defensible choice with consequences she accepted. Going physical was not. Grabbing an officer during a lawful arrest is a felony under Florida law. That one decision converted a single-charge case into 3 counts. The department receives a C+. Implied consent procedures were executed correctly. That is the baseline. Not commendable performance. On-camera conduct toward a restrained subject reflects institutional culture. This footage belongs in a training room with a clear lesson attached to it. 3 takeaways. Field sobriety testing is voluntary in Florida. Consenting without legal counsel, without understanding how those results will be used, can determine the outcome of a case before it ever reaches a courtroom. Implied consent is not optional. Once you drive, in this state, refusal carries automatic consequences, and a second refusal becomes its own criminal charge. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest is not a legal remedy. The remedy is the courts. That distinction carries felony-level consequences. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam. For more police interaction and courtroom content,